Tizca's crystal towers blazing in the sun, scholars and psykers, the legend of the thousand suns. Magnus watched them reaching for the warp's deep flame, bound in brotherhood, yet cursed by flesh and shame. The council's word came down, the sorcery denied, but still they sought the truth. The emperor defied. Magnus broke the wards to warn the throne. The emperor's judgment turned his heart to stone. Russ was unleashed, Horus twisting every word, not to capture, but to burn, undeterred.
Oh, Prospero, your doom descends. The Wolves of Fenris strike like the world's end. The sister's silence stills the psykers' cries. Custodians march with unblinking eyes. The thousand suns stand though fate betrays. Tizca's light dies in a single day. In a single day. The Prosperine Spire shattered in the first advance. Grey slayers charging bolter-axe and lance. A human circles rose in fire and flame, defying the decree that once erased his name. Sekhmet stood unbroken, their final stand. Red and gold burning bright against Russ's command. The sisters dim the war-born air. No Laura's choking every whispered prayer. Still the sons fought on the far too few. No reinforcements came, only the dead they knew. Oh, Prospero, your doom descends. Drop pods burning, falling without end. The wolves tear through each sanctum hall. Golden giants judging one and all. Against the tide they refuse to sway. Tizca's light dies in a single day. In a single day. Magnus watched from the ether, torn with guilt. Cities crumbling, hopes he once had built. He had vowed to yield, believing peace remained. But Russ sought ruin, only the slain. With one last cry, he broke beneath the weight, calling to the warp to unmake his fate. Oh, Prospero, your sun still stands, though ash and fire swallow every land. Magnus weeps as the covenant falls. A world of knowledge lost to fratricidal calls. The warp storm rises, sweeping them all.